Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you one way that you might record a read aloud. So if you'll notice on the table here, I have a water bottle, I have my cell phone, I have a book to read, some tape, and a scissor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape my cell phone to this water bottle, and I want to kind of tilt it a little bit. So I'm just going to take, this is just packing tape. You might use masking tape. And the thing is, I want this to kind of point down a little bit. I'm setting this on my desk, and I have a couch that's a little lower behind the desk here. So I'm just going to put this tape here. And you see, I don't know if you can see, I have that tilted down a little bit. So if I turn on my phone, and I'm going to open the camera, and I'm going to flip to the front-facing camera, and then it looks like I'm going to sit down, and I can read my book. And I'm going to adjust my angle a little bit. I'm a little too low. Whoops. Let's get back to the camera. So if I sit right here, now I can see that my camera is picking up myself and the book. So I can do my read aloud, and I might even tilt it just a little bit more. Okay, now I'm ready to record my story. Now, having finished recording my video, I can remove the tape off my phone. I'm going to go to the home screen, and we'll pick this up in a screen capture from my phone. Okay, once I have finished recording my video, it appears, in this case on my phone, this happens to be an iPhone, so this is an 8-minute video I have on my camera roll. I don't want to send it anywhere from here, from the camera roll. Instead, I suggest you install the Google Drive app. So here we are. I'm opening the Google Drive app. You can have this on any kind of phone. It doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or an Android phone or a Google phone. But here we go. So here's my drive. I'm going to hit plus. I'm going to go to this button that says Upload. I'm going to browse my photos and videos, click on my camera roll, and I can see that I have that 8-minute video there, and I'm going to click Upload. Now, depending on where you're doing this, you may or may not have good enough cell phone service that this happens very quickly. Right now, you'll notice that my phone is on LTE, so I'm not on Wi-Fi. So this could take a while. So this is still uploading. I can see if I want to check the progress on it, I click on this little folder icon in the lower right-hand side, and you can see it's still uploading. So this is going to take a little time. Alternatively, you could be on Wi-Fi, and this would work a lot quicker. Especially since you can see I have only 2 bars of service right now. Okay, now I've switched from being on my phone to being on my computer. I'm in my Google Drive right now. My video took more than a half hour to upload. The thing about video files is they are very large. So you definitely want to do that on Wi-Fi, not like I was doing on my cell phone provider's connection. Once you've uploaded that, now I don't see it right away. If I come over here to recent, I happen to remember that the movie was called IMG 2492. So this is my file. My first step, I think, is going to be to rename this. So I'm going to right click on that, and let's see, rename. And I'm going to call this Sun Ra Read Aloud. This way I can easily find this file. That concludes this video. In our next video, I will show how to post this video in a Canvas discussion.